Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Shady BTC, and you are watching DegenPal. Firstly, before I begin, I would like to apologize for not being able to do video for a very long time now. Since this year, I've not been able to create any video. Reason being that I've been trying to deviate my niche a little, or expand my niche a little, anyways. So, currently now I'm working on Forex trading. Understand? I'm trading more Forex and futures more often than Degen. Like since last month, I've not really traded Degen to tell you the truth, I've not really taken the journey. And these are the result of fact that I just wanna, I just wanna step up the game and be a better me. Anyways, so I apologize. I really apologize. And by God grace, we should be able to be doing every videos on at least 3 times a week. By His grace, I'll be doing videos on forex and futures. So you guys will expect more forex videos and officials videos. Okay, and so far it was an intensive training. It was really an intensive training because I sunrise, sunsets. I'm in on my system trying to analyze one or two, analyze the market. Try to find a way and a niche and trying to find what I know I can do best because I don't think people always don't understand about trading. Trading is not something about following someone else's step or anything, but it's all about knowing yourself. It's just between you and yourself, and if you can understand yourself better, you trade better than every other person. So I've been able to work. I'm working on trying to understand myself, and thank God that so far I'm seeing a positive result. Okay, and I'll also be sharing with you guys some of my trade I took last week because one of my pro firm, yeah, I successfully passed the challenge, the first job challenge last week, and I'll show you some of the trades I used to pass the challenge. Though it's not really been easy anyways. It's not all win stuff, but the wins always bigger than the losses, which is the most important thing. So I will just show you guys some of my videos, some of my trades and also ask you guys to please bear with me and understand with me. Recently, right now, I'll be more of forex and futures than degen. Okay, so I'll be expecting more of forex and futures videos. So those that really want to go on futures or those that really want to vision to forex, you can go together. Of course, that's why we're here to help each other. So you can subscribe to my signals group, or you can also subscribe to my inner group where we analyze the market, talk about the market. You can bring up your idea, we discuss about it, and look at how because nobody knows it all. I don't know it all. Obviously, I'm less than I should be less than 5 months or less than 4 months in forex market, anyways. But I'm actually seeing the changes. Actually seeing the changes. So I will show you guys some of my trades so far last week. Is that like this one? I took this trade on on Thursday. This is one of the trades I used to pass the challenge. It was a killer one, seriously. The risk to reward amount was too high, and sorry, the risk amount was so high, and I really made a hell of money out of it. It's not the trade has not even closed yet, but I've actually passed the challenge. Second one is I think this pounds pound Japanese yen. This one smashed like an idiot. Smashed. In fact, I actually feel very bad because I would have taken my TP up to this height. I know just is gonna close. Anyways, but profit is profit no matter what. Then the next one is this one also I think is also a winning trade. It was also a winning trade, as you guys can see. It's actually closed successfully. Yeah. Then this one also, I think this one too was also a winning trade. I think I had about one dozen trade or so. Yeah, one dozen trade. This one was also a winning trade. It was a killer one, anyways, killer trade, like just one single spike and we done. Then this one, I think this one should be a losing trade also. I lost this trade. As you can see, I was stopped out anyways. So if my stop loss has gone below and I could if I use this resistance level, sorry, this support level as my SL, I wouldn't have been stopped out and I would have put some profit. But anyways, we keep on learning every day. It's not about you can't win it all, obviously. You must definitely accept the losses because it's part of the game. Okay. So just like I said, From next week, obviously, I'll be doing videos like I by God grace, I hope to be doing up to 3 times a week video, and also I also want to be sharing my life trade on time because I'm not someone that I don't believe in faking it. I believe in making it real for everyone to see. Because if I win, you win. If I lose, you lose. So my loss, your loss is my loss. Sorry, not the other way around. Your loss is my loss. So I don't believe that. I don't believe in lying to someone just for you to make the person see you as a guru. If you're a guru, you're a guru. Okay. So I would like to be sharing some of my market analysis before I commence the weekly commence, which is I would like to be doing it on every Sunday night because ahead of the market opening. So if you're interested, you can just drop a comment so that we can be doing a live section where everybody can come. We analyze the market together. We open, analyze the trades we're going to take for the week, and we progress with the week. So thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you for everything. As well as thank you so much. And please find someone you have to forgive me for not being able to do any video so far. Understand? Not able to do any video so far. I'm actually working on myself. I'm trying to be a better person, to be a better me, of course. I've not actually buy the Lambo which I wanted to buy or which I dreamed to buy. Anyways, so as long as I've not secured my dream car and I've not secured my dream house and I've not secured my dream home and I've not actually saved help the lives I want to help, I'm still hustling. And I believe that one day we're surely gonna make it. Word me. Thank you guys. I love you all. Enjoy yourself.